Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I have a new fidget toy for you. Let's go ahead and unbox this and we'll take a closer look once we get it out of this package here. Very well packed. And looks like we have more than one thing in here. Okay. So this seems to be the main attraction here. Alright. So this is from a company called Metal Toys, I believe. And up here we have, not sure what this is, to be honest. The brand is Faber-Castell, I believe. Kind of looks like Blue Tech, whatever you call it. Anyway, so this opens up from up top. All right. So this seems to be some extra stuff here. Let's have a look at this. Always nice when you get these extra goodies, really. So I suppose this is a little sticker, though it doesn't really feel like one. It feels more like a bit of cardboard. But I think, yeah, they're both stickers. They're just matte rather than glossy. This is their crying face logo. And they have also included a screwdriver, I believe, to take the fidget toy apart, as well as what seem to be 3 little springs and the ball bearings. Okay. And over here is the actual toy box. You see Metal Toys TOPB. A really nice presentation. And before we get into this, let's see what else we got. This is just bubble wrap, okay. And let's check what this is. A little envelope. All right. So they were nice enough to include this little goodie because there were some initial payment problems, I think. So they have added this pretty nice little ghost pendant, which you can use as a bead, I believe. It's really, really cool. Very shiny and a really nice design. And I believe they said this is white brass. Kind of looks like stainless steel. And there's also their little logo here, which is very nice. Really nice little bonus here. So thanks for that. So that was that, and that just leaves the main attraction here. So let's open this up. All right. And here it is. Really nice box, by the way, with very soft felt inside for protection. And here's the slider. Really nice size. Let's take it out of its sealed plastic here. Quite heavy too. And there it is. So as you can see, there's the crying face logo and the kind of a fingerprint design on one side. This is of course so you get traction when you use it. And on the other side there's this very nice kind of geometric pattern going on, which also adds to the grip on this side. It's really very nice and shiny. It would be a bit of a fingerprint magnet, I suppose, but still a really nice polished look. As I said, not very large in size, but it's very great to fidget with. I don't like particularly large fidget toys. And let's see how this works. So here it goes. Yeah, I can see how this can get pretty addictive. So let's see if I can take this apart. I'm not really familiar with this design, so I'm not sure if you actually need the tool to take this off. I'm not gonna risk it on camera just in case I mess this up. So there is written top right there, and this is a serial number, I guess 1052. Not sure how many there are of these, but this is like the standard stainless steel design. There are a lot of different finishes, but I think they're very limited releases, so this is just their standard entry-level slider. And yeah, it does feel pretty good. Now this has no magnets involved. It's just a set of rails, I believe. Like, it's basically just metal in here. No haptic feedback from any magnets like other sliders I've reviewed. But yeah, it has a pretty good feeling. Quite different, as I said, from a magnet haptic slider, but still quite enjoyable. I'll have to carry this around a bit, of course, to get more familiar with it, but yes, it feels very good just as a first impression. Alright, that's basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a thumbs up if you did. Any questions, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.